Hey, so it's an exciting day here, isn't it, girls?
Yeah.
So this is a piece of playground equipment. Show it, Josie. That used to be at playgrounds before they were deemed too dangerous. And my friends at the scrapyard called me and said, hey, we got some playground equipment for you. And so this used to be at one of the parks here in town, and they kind of ruined it in order to keep it safe, and I've started working on it. And I was a little upset because it's all beat up and stuff, but I can fix it. So this is what I used to call a twisty swing, where swings would hang on here, and not only would they swing back and forth like this, but it would spin, so the swings would go.
Wow, this is
And it bounces at the top, and so they had welded it like these braces here, so the springs wouldn't work up top like that, and then they had welded these little brackets in here like this, so it couldn't spin. And so I cut these off in hopes that it would spin, and it wouldn't spin. So I was like, well shoot, they ruined the bearing. So I welded this piece on here and I torqued it, and lo and behold, it spins. So now we're gonna have to weld another piece on here on the bottom. I got a big pipe over here. You can see it laying down over there. And we're gonna make twisty swings, aren't we, girls?
Yeah, it's gonna be so fun.
It's gonna be so fun. I gotta eventually straighten this bar out too, because that's bent, I think, when they pulled it out. But this used to just be hanging there at the park just as regular swings. We're gonna turn it into twisting or twirling swing. All right, now we gotta cut this leverage bar off here that I welded on the end, which it won't be hard. I'll just take our grinder and do it here really quick. Almost done. There we go. Popped it right off. All right, so the next step of this is to get this straightened out. This got bent, obviously, when I put a backhoe or something to it when they were pulling it out. So I could cut this off, slide a pipe in between here, and straighten off. Actually, what I'm going to try to do is take my tractor bucket, set it right here, and see if it'll straighten out. So Josie will record that here in a little bit.
Dad, Midnight likes your invention.
Yeah. All right, so we got it straighter, but it's still a little bent. So I'm going to try one more time just to straighten it out quicker or straighter here, just by dropping the bucket on it again. And probably going to have to cut it and brace it just to get it all the way straight, but looking better. A piece of junk is going to turn into a playground
Fun ride.
Fun ride. Back when playgrounds used to be dangerous and fun. Alright, you got it all painted. I'll have to touch it up. But right here is that bent part that I tried to straighten with my tractor, so I'm going to try to cut it here and just bend it back. I might cut it all the way and slide a pipe in, but we'll see how it goes. So I decided to cut all the way through because I couldn't really bend it straight, so I slid this other pipe in between. And you can see right now it's even straighter. Got these holes drilled here, so we're just going to weld along the seam with the pipe in the middle, and it looks pretty darn straight to me. So we're leveling off the pole, filling it up with concrete. We got it stood up with the tractor. Josie's filming the sky. You can do that, that's fine. Yep.
We have to put our handprints in the concrete.
Dad, can I do it now?
Yeah, just a second. Just getting it mixed up for you, and then you can do it some more. You can do it.
Dad, the pole actually looks way straighter than it was before. No, it's way straighter than it was. I have an idea.
So we got it in the ground. We got the swings up. Here we go. Noelle and Josie wanted to be the first ones on it.
We're the youngest. We have a charm.
What do you think, Niall?
Emmy and Niall, you're too old. I never think I know. It's recording. Watch out, Noelle. They're big. Whoa.
Whoa! It's like how weight changes and like we take turns going high and low. Yeah, you take turns going fast and then slow.
Niall, you said row.
Niall, lean side to side.